I'm making a full beat out of just the Spinz 808. I'm talking the hi-hat's about to be made out of the Spinz 808, the 808's gonna be made out of the Spinz 808, the snare's gonna be from the Spinz 808, the kick's gonna be from the...
Alright, let me explain these dumbass rules for you dumbasses. So, effects, this synthesis bullshit, and this, I can sample myself. All that shit, that's fine, I can do that shit. What I can't do is I can't use the bends on Serum, because then I could just draw out like a single harmonic, or I could draw any harmonic. That kind of defeats the purpose of any of this. Alright, let's do this shit in record time, man. Come up in this bitch-ass bitch. Hey, you know what I gotta do, right? I need my Final Fantasies. I'ma just use a MIDI though, you know what I'm saying? It's not a sample, it's just a MIDI, so that shit, who cares, it's fine. And then I'm just gonna put like a bunch of fucking bullshit. It's like, alright, Vocodex and like Crystallizer. Some flanges, some shit. I had to like fuck around with Vocodex because this shit wouldn't sound right. And I'm fucking with this shit because this sound like one of them nonsensical bell kind of beats, you know what I'm saying? I was like, yeah, I can fuck with this shit. Next up is about the respace, you know what I'm saying? Gotta turn up this knob on this shit so it's like repeating this shit, so because I'm gonna sample myself or whatever, right? Then drag this shit into a sound. I don't know which one is the proper one, who fucking cares? Just trial and error, you know? This one seems to work and shit, so make it do that shit. I'll put this LFO, make it sweep, you know what I'm saying? Put some other unison on that, and then put some filter on that, and that just sound like a respace. I had one of them goofy ass kind of sounds, you know what I'm saying? Like a Tiger lap dance shit. So just like automate the, whatever you gotta do, just automate it, fuck, who cares? But then, you know what I'm saying? Cause really all you need is one melody, but it's like, alright, I think one melody with some effects on it though, so I'm gonna just put this shit and I'm gonna make an effect with it using that Chaos Serum. Who the fuck is use this yeah, that shit, and just fuck around with it, do like some all that automation shit, and it should come out sounding like this shit. I mean, come on, you really want me to explain all of this shit? So that's cool for like the first half, whatever. I'm trying to make this like a beat switch kind of shit, you know, like a side A and a side B. Reset all this shit for the effect, reset it, and then we just come up with like a simple basic sine kind of melody of this shit, and that shit sound nice for the second half of this shit. Alright, cool. And for these drums though, man, I'm telling you, man, this shit's too easy, man. This shit's too fucking easy, man. So 808s, put the 808. Alright, so now it gets a little interesting with the high-end shit. So these hi-hats, right, I'm gonna use this same little stupid sample shit I got. I'm gonna export it again, but I'm gonna like distort it to the point where it sounds like static, which is like white noise. So I'm gonna use like this stupid ass distortion effect on that shit. Put it back, run it back in there. Then we just do the envelope shit, and then we get a closed and an open hi-hat. For the snares, you know, it's kind of like the same shit, except I'm gonna use the ring mod, because I know that the ring mod be getting freaky with all this shit. So, just do some fucking dumb shit. I don't even fucking, you know, till it sounds good. Fuck it. Sounds like one of them OG lo-fi Memphis snares. One thing that I did that's real important is I put the swing up, or the offset on this shit. A lot of the legendary drums on this shit, they do that. So I'm just gonna do that shit here. And it sounds good. It sounds pretty damn good. And that's how you can make an entire beat out of a Spinz. Other than that, I'm gonna put acapella on it. And if I'm gonna put an acapella on it, I might as well put these DJ drops and these effects on it. So fuck it, I'm gonna do that shit.
So confirmed, Santa's #1 helper is a squirrel.
I would really prefer if you would be quiet.
5150.